Okay, so this site is Berlin Midway. We're building a 2.2 megawatt um, installation, which translates to 5,600 545 watt panels. They are single panel axis trackers, and the torque tubes will turn from east to west throughout the course of the day, taking up as much sunlight as possible. We have 3 subcontractors working on site. It's been a really exciting learning curve. I've learned a lot along the way, but I think most of the fun I've had has been really getting to know the subcontractors and working with them and helping them iron out the pieces that inevitably come with any kind